Welcome to the best picks. The best Scoche Magkit is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable accessories you can add to your everyday carry, offering a seamless blend of magnetic convenience and robust functionality that redefines how you interact with your devices on the go. This innovative system transforms your smartphone into an easily accessible, securely mounted tool, whether you're navigating busy streets, capturing stunning content, or simply need quick access to your screen without fumbling in pockets or bags. Its intuitive design ensures effortless attachment and detachment, making it a game-changer for anyone who relies on their phone for productivity, entertainment, or communication throughout their day. Number 5. Scoche MagicMount Magnetic Phone Mount. Securely mount your phone to your car's dashboard or any flat surface. Its heat-resistant base keeps your device firmly in place, helping reduce distractions and improving road safety. Enjoy stable, hands-free driving with our powerful magnetic mount. Attach the included metal plate to your phone or case for a secure grip, while the adhesive base ensures a firm hold on your dash. Easily adjust your device's viewing angle while driving. The 360-degree adjustable head offers complete freedom to position your phone for the best view from any angle. Quickly access your phone's controls and ports with its cradle-free design. This allows for one-handed use, while the integrated cable clip adds convenience and safety. For larger or heavier phones, place the magic plate directly on your phone or on the outside of your case. For optimal results, wait 24 hours after applying the plate before using the mount. Mount your phone conveniently on your car dashboard. It includes everything you need, backed by lifetime tech support and a limited 3-year warranty. What we like. This mount offers a robust and secure grip for your phone on the dashboard. Its heat-resistant base ensures it stays put even in hot conditions. If you prioritize a stable and distraction-free driving experience with a strong magnetic hold, this is a great choice for your car. What people say. Perfect amount of stick to the magnet. My iPhone X is held securely with no wobbling but can also be pulled off easily if needed. If you place the sticker in the center of the phone, you could pop the phone on either vertically or horizontally. Locking ring means I can twist it tight and it will stay in position without coming loose, rattling around, or starting to droop while driving. Number 4. Scoche Magkit MagicMount Magnetic Car Phone Mount, Pack of 2. Introducing the Scoche Magkit, a universal phone mount designed for your car's dashboard. It provides a safe and quick way to secure any mobile device, ensuring a stable hold even while driving. Equipped with powerful rare earth neodymium magnets, this mount offers a secure grip for your iPhone, Android, or tablet. Simply attach the included plate to your device or case for a reliable magnetic hold. Enjoy viewing from any angle with its 360-degree adjustable head. This allows for a great hands-free experience, making it easier to navigate or stay connected. The cradle-free design ensures easy one-handed operation and access to all device controls. An integrated cable clip keeps your charging cable tidy for a clutter-free mount. This pack includes the dash mount, magic plates, protective film, and a user manual. You'll also benefit from Scoche's lifetime tech support and a 3-year limited warranty. For larger phones, place the magic plate directly on your device or case. For best results, wait 24 hours after application before use. Please note, this mount is not compatible with MagSafe. What we like. Get double the convenience with this 2-pack of magnetic phone mounts. They offer a secure grip and full adjustability for optimal viewing angles. If you need mounts for multiple vehicles or want one for your car and another for your desk, this pack is an excellent value. What people say. The magnets are strong and hold the phone securely. The mount is easy to install and adjust. It works well with most phone cases. Number 3. Scoche MagDMB MagicMount Magnetic Suction Cup Mount. Introducing the Scoche MagicMount, a versatile suction cup mount designed for your car. It securely attaches any mobile device to your dashboard or windshield, ensuring it stays put even on bumpy rides. This mount features a strong neodymium magnet that provides a secure grip for your smartphone or tablet. Simply attach the included plate to your device or case for a reliable magnetic hold. Enjoy optimal viewing with its 360-degree adjustable head. You can easily position your device at any angle for a comfortable and hands-free experience. Keep your car tidy with the integrated cable clip that secures your charging cable. Its cradle-free design allows for easy one-handed operation and access to all device controls. The package includes everything you need for installation, including the mount, magic plate, and protective film. It's backed by Scoche's lifetime tech support and a 3-year limited warranty. For the strongest magnetic hold, especially with larger phones, place the magic plate directly on your device or its case. Allow 24 hours after application before use for best results. What we like. This mount provides versatile placement options, allowing you to attach it to either your windshield or dashboard. The strong suction cup ensures it stays secure on various surfaces. If you prefer mounting your phone on the windshield for easier navigation or have a dashboard that's not ideal for adhesive mounts, this is the perfect solution. What people say. Perfect amount of stick to the magnet. My iPhone X is held securely with no wobbling but can also be pulled off easily if needed. If you place the sticker in the center of the phone, you could pop the phone on either vertically or horizontally. Locking ring means I can twist it tight and it will stay in position without coming loose, rattling around, or starting to droop while driving. Number 2. Scoche Magkit MagicMount Replacement Metal Plate Kit. This is a replacement kit for your magnetic car mount. It includes metal plates that easily attach to your phone or case. These plates create a strong magnetic connection with your car mount. They use automotive-grade adhesive to ensure your device stays securely in place. Our metal plates are universally compatible with any magnetic car mount. They come in different sizes to support all your devices, big or small. Apply the protective film first for easy, residue-free attachment and removal. This ensures your phone stays safe while connected to the mount. For the strongest hold, especially with larger phones, place the plate directly on your phone or on the outside of its case. Allow 24 hours for optimal results before using the mount. This kit includes 2 metal plates, protective films, and a user manual. You can buy with confidence, backed by Scoche's warranty and tech support. What we like. This is a kit specifically for replacement metal plates for your magnetic mount. It ensures a strong connection for your phone with any magnetic car mount. If you've lost a plate, need extras, or want to ensure a secure magnetic hold for larger devices, this kit is essential. What people say. The plates stick to it very strongly. I have an iPhone 16 Pro Max with a Smartish Volume 1 case. I attached one of the plates to the back of the case, and it mounts to my car mount with no problem. The adhesive is incredibly strong and stays put once applied. They are thin enough to fit under a case or directly on a device without being bulky, but they still provide a very solid connection to the mount. The extra strength hold provided by these replacement plates is impressive. They adhere to the back of your device firmly and stay in place, ensuring that your phone or tablet won't budge, even on bumpy rides. Number 1. MAGNA-TILES Classic 32-piece Magnetic Construction Set. Discover the joy of building with the original magnetic construction set. This set includes 32 translucent geometric shapes in vibrant colors, perfect for sparking creativity. Inside, you'll find a variety of squares and triangles in 6 beautiful colors. These classic shapes are designed to inspire endless building possibilities. This is the most celebrated set in magnetic construction, featuring classic geometric shapes in primary colors. It's designed to be both fun and educational. Certified as a STEAM toy, it aids in developing essential skills like fine motor control, cognitive abilities, and creativity. It's a great way to learn through play. Ideal for children aged 3 and up, this is the perfect starter set to introduce them to the world of magnetic building. It's a wonderful gift for young explorers. Begin your building adventure with this classic set and watch your child's imagination soar. The possibilities are truly endless with these versatile pieces. All pieces are compatible with other sets, ensuring your collection can grow. Built for durability and safety, they are designed for hours of secure playtime. What we like. This is the original magnetic building set, offering a classic and engaging play experience. It's a certified STEAM toy that aids in developing crucial cognitive and motor skills. If you're looking for a creative and educational gift for a child aged 3 and up, this starter set is an excellent choice to spark imagination. What people say. The magnets are strong enough to hold structures together but still easy for little hands to use. The pieces feel sturdy and safe, and it keeps kids engaged without screens. Magnetic strength is strong. Easy to store and keep clean. Fun for all ages. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.